next to the witness. Ms. Franklin, being handed two items, one envelope that contains a USB. But as far as the photographs are concerned, could you look through those and see if you recognize what is depicted?
Yes, sir.
And we'll open the envelope and be sure it does have I believe it has a tag. It says S. Franklin, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, I would move those to number 14. Ms. Franklin, which were done first? Photographs or the videos? Or were they video and a photograph, video and a photograph, or how was the process done?
Room by room, area by area, video and photographs together in the same areas.
And what did you use to capture both the video and the photographs?
My personal phone.
Cell phones. All right. If we could. Now, Ms. Franklin, you've had an opportunity to review these, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And we have muted each of the videos because what was said is really not between you and Jade and Jaya is not relevant. So, as we play these one by one, since there will be no audio, can you narrate, tell us what we're seeing?
Yes.
Video number 1.
This is,
And we can't stop, obviously.
as soon as you walk in the apartment and open the door, you're in the kitchen. And so this is immediately entering the door, panning the kitchen area. This is the countertop. I knew that I knew Jade had had a at-home date set, and I knew that because she loves to cook, you see food over on the stove area and the counter, and then the result of their kind of paint at home.
So it'd be fair to say
Activity.
that there were some things you expected to see in Secretary.
Correct. And then that's Jada and Najee.
Again, it's muted, but were you having conversations?
Of course.
And were you apprised of the fact that Najee had been there before?
No.
Okay, so you didn't know whether she had.
Najee is Jade's best friend,
Yes.
so I'm sure.
Now we're moving to video number 2. Where are we now?
Standing in the living room, facing the second bedroom and panning from the other direction.
Looking back towards the kitchen.
Yes, and she looks surprised because I'm telling her to get out of the way. And that's my daughter that you saw a glimpse.
What are we,
The image of where Jade's camera usually sits. Or is expected to be sitting.
I believe if you touch the screen on the thing that's down there, you can make a circle. So, kind of where the camera usually sits, could you circle that area? So, no camera there, correct?
Correct. Correct. Would you like me to clear that?
I can. And now, number 4. Where are we now?
Jade's bedroom.
And what, if anything, are we seeing there?
You're seeing a scan of her bedroom, but there's also the camera right there.
Now, if we, again, pause it right there and do the same, could you circle? And were the blinds in that condition when you went in and filmed this?
Yes, sir.
But you touched anything at that point?
No.
Right, and now, lastly, video number 5.
It's panning from the other direction of the other side of the room.
Thank you. Now, we can publish the photographs. And these have been arbitrarily A through K, I believe. But what are we seeing here in this picture?
Camera outside in the hallway, on the ceiling, walkway area of the entrance walkway to Jade's front door.
And what about this?
Jade's art. No, her handwriting.
And the third.
Presuming that's Blaise's.
Now, we had a picture of the refrigerator. Well, the refrigerator was in the video.
Yes, sir.
Open the door and just a picture of the interior of the refrigerator that was in the video.
Yes, sir.
And did you remove any items or place any items there that weren't there to start with?
No, just opened it.
What is this a photograph of?
Open trash can at the end of the bar in the kitchen.
Do you recall what may have been in it?
I didn't dig in it. I just saw what was there on top.
Was there any other trash receptacle that you saw that had anything in it?
We did look at the trash cans in the bathrooms. They were empty.
And was there any other trash anywhere in the kitchen other than this one?
Not that was visible.
And the next photograph, what are we seeing here? And again, if you could tell us what it is.
So the camera on the ledge in Jade's bedroom, facing out.
Say, and does it appear to be plugged in?
Yes, sir.
And is this another view of the camera? This one showing the lens facing.
Yes, sir.
Right now, moving on, we've saw the video of the bed room, was there anything about the bed that attracted your attention?
Yes. On the bedspread, it appeared to be throw up or vomit.
And in looking at it, did it appear to be of any particular color?
Pink.
And again, having talked to your son and preparing this, what, if anything, did you do with the comforter, with this object?
I took it. I decided to take it, but I didn't. I decided to take it with us.
This is, next picture is just a more close-up. And were these pictures taken prior to you touching this item?
Yes.
And in fact, did you touch it for any other purpose than to remove it
No.
and preserve it?
No.
And what, if anything, were you able to put it in?
A trash bag. I told them to get a trash bag.
And was it one that was already there at the apartment?
Mm-hmm.
Now, this next photograph of the vehicle with license plate. Are you familiar with that vehicle?
Yeah.
And whose vehicle is that?
Oh, I'm sorry. Bridget and Lynn's.
Now, we talked about you removing the comforter. You recall whether or not there was any other item that you took along with it?
No, I just
And how did you go about
folded it within itself and stuffed it in the bag with my gloved hand and tied the bag off in the apartment.
in class? Talked about a trash bag and
That's it.
hanging up.
That's
there.
yes, sir.
So, you're there, you looked around, did you check out anything else as far as whether the windows were locked or anything to do with touching the apartment or touching anything in the apartment?
No, other than there was discussion on whether to leave the blinds up in the bedroom and the camera location being weird because Jade. We talked about that and whether or not we should close the blinds.
And do you recall whether or not you did or didn't close the blinds?
They were closed when we left.
And how about the camera? Was it left in the same location or moved back to the kitchen?
No, Nigella was adamant about moving it back to the kitchen where it's supposed to be.
And other than that, was anything else manipulated, that is, being moved, anything added or taken away?
No, we talked about private property of Jade's, but didn't touch anything else, didn't take anything else.
And when you arrived there, was the door locked?
Yes.
And when you left, did you relock the door?
Of course.
Yes, the question is, why did you take it upon yourself to essentially do police work?
Because Bridget was hurting and Bridget wanted answers and Bridget and I were both pissed. Excuse my French. We were angry. Didn't seem like anybody was doing anything. It didn't seem like things were moving.
The pace was too slow. know
No answers. Why do you have a child on life support? No answers.
Was this any attempt on your part to interfere with the investigation?
No, I would never.
As far as packaging the item that we see here in the trunk of Ms. Burke's vehicle, what did you do with it when you left the apartment?
Called them I was headed back. What I had, meet me at the car, because I'm going to give it directly to Jade's parents.
Did you give them the keys back to you?
Yes. They met me at the car.
Now, as far as the exterior of the apartment complex, did you do anything with respect to looking around there? Or
Yeah. Tried to see if there was any trash or anything that was obviously in the dumpster, but not digging in dumpsters. And they were huge. Then there was a neighbor out walking their dog, and I asked her if she knew Jade.
so,
And she explained, and our conversation led to the fact of ambulances there the night before, and she didn't know her. I gave her my number.
so you get back to the hospital, essentially, as far as the evidence is concerned, it's still in the bag the last time you saw it, correct?
Correct.
And as the days went on, did you find that there was a police investigation going on and detectives who were working?
Yes, I knew that finally there were people talking to Bridget and Lynn and listening.
From the time you packaged the comforter in the trash bag until it was delivered there in the trunk of the vehicle, did you open it at any time during the transport?
No.
Add anything to it
No.
or touch it with your bare hands?
No, sir.
I know you testified that you had on gloves, rubber gloves or latex.
I'm not a medical professional, but yeah.
I was gonna say-
Blue gloves from the hospital.
From the hospital. And when you packaged up the comforter, could you feel through the things any moisture or whether the area that we've seen highlighted?
No, but I mean that's one of the things I noticed when it looked like vomit, because there seemed to be a moisture ring several inches outside where the vomit was, and I'm a mom, seen lots of vomit, cleaned up vomit, and I'm an educator, so seen it there too.
Teacher.
And that looks like there was moisture added at some point or an attempt to wipe it or something.
Have a motion.